Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name's Lacey. If you're new to this channel, check us out. But yeah, if you want to know how I got this kind of Christmassy cut crease, feel free and just keep on watching. So guys, in today's video, don't have a plan. I've been recording videos that I have a plan in my head and it just doesn't usually go right. So I've got all three of my Be Perfect and Stacey Marie palettes just laid out in front of me, and there's just like so many colours that I'm looking at right now. So let's just put my P. Louise base on. So I'm gonna go in with the Carnival palette because this forest colour is just the one that I'm gravitating towards at the minute. Now I apologise if you don't have all of the palettes, and if I do go into all of them, then I apologise. I've noticed that there are some repeats in the palettes anyway. Should probably start planning these looks ahead of time, or at least do one eye off camera, but I just don't like to. Okay, so I think I'm happy with the placement of those. I need teenier brushes. Fortunately, I do not have teenier brushes. But my boyfriend, I know he's bought me brushes for Christmas because I find out very easily what he's bought me. I just can't keep anything away from me, really. Okay, so to blend out that green, I'm gonna go in with Tropics in the same palette and just kind of wiggle it around on that line just to slightly buff it out. I find filming when nobody's home so much easier as well. Like, my boyfriend's not here at the minute, he's getting his hair cut. But I find it so much easier to just, I don't know, just do what I need to do and not worry that somebody's, I don't know, like, knowing that I'm talking to myself. I'm gonna go in the second palette and I'm gonna go in with the Hype. I'm getting like Mr. Grinch vibes at the minute. I'm gonna go back in with my pencil brush and go back into Tropics and maybe mix it in with a bit of Forest. And just deepen out that initial line. So I feel like I'm losing it a bit. Okay, going back in with the Hype. And then gonna go in with Ecstasy from the same palette. Oh, Siri, stop talking.
I didn't get that.
I'm not talking. No, I'm not talking to you. And I'm just gonna pop in that Ecstasy, like, right at the top near my eyebrows, pretty much. See, it's so weird. The other day I tried filming and it was just like nothing was going right at all. Okay, so I need to do a bit of cleaning up on the bottom row. I'm gonna go back in with my P. Louise base. Right, let's clean this up. Now to set that, I'm going to go in my Blood Sugar from Jeffree Star and use the white shade. I don't support, I'm not buying his products anymore, I'll be honest. There's just too much drama around it. But this is the only shade that does not crease on my lid when I'm trying to do like a plain lid. And to be honest, I don't find anything wrong with using the palettes that you got. Like, I'm not going to buy any more of his palettes, but the palettes that I do have, I'm going to try and use because, you know, that's my money or my boyfriend's money, for example. Like, I'm pretty sure he bought me this palette. And, you know, I can't just not use it. Yeah, like I said, I would have used any other shade, but that shade from that palette is literally the only shade that does not crease on me, because a lot of matte shades, I still end up getting the kind of creasing in the middle. I don't know what to do next. Do I make this like proper Christmassy and maybe do like red? Drag it under. Okay, so I want to go in with the dark red first. So what one is dark red? So in the Love Tahiti palette, what's it called? Chili Pepper. That's pretty dark. Let's go in with that first. And map out what we want. Now I have set the base, so I don't know how these are gonna apply. I'm going with a bit of Reckless in the second palette. It's like a really deep, like, purpley red colour. I'm gonna bring that close to the lashes. Such as that, and then go back in with Chili Pepper. Okay, so at the minute it looks very messy, but once we've done our skin and lashes are on, it should look pretty okay. So I'm gonna go in with the Ofra primer, Cool as a Cucumber, because I do look quite red. I don't think the red eyeshadow has helped. Now I'm thinking, do I want glitter on my eyes? Like, do I, or should I just leave it alone? I think I kind of want glitter on it, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm going in with MAC Reflect Gold. Oh, gold. Is that gonna look good? Yeah, we'll give it a go. All about trial and error, right guys? All about trial and error. So I put a bit of my NYX glitter glue on the back of my hand. So taking some of that glue. I'm mainly keeping it on the middle section of the eye. And going a bit with the pigment. Yes, we are looking so festive. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. And the foundation I'm going to go in with is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation in 120W. Oh, that's my jacket potato. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of my Wet n Wild. I think I need to go and turn off my oven so I don't burn my potato. Yeah, because it's just going to keep doing that until I take it out. Yes, I'm coming! Screen contour. stuck my nail in my butter bronzer. The next thing I'm going to go in with is my Jouer concealer. Oh, I didn't mention I'm wearing my dressing gown because it is really cold outside. Apparently we might have a thunder snow, whatever that is. So the weather, the temperature has like dropped. I do find it really hard to talk in videos just because I apparently don't know how to multitask, or at least I can't talk while I'm doing something. It's usually what I end up doing voiceovers. To set my concealer, I'm using my Huda Beauty Sugar Cookie Setting Powder. It's the translucent one. Just using a bit more of a fluffier brush. Just pressing that on the cheeks. For bronzer, I'm going in with the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I've like hit pan on this. And just kind of bronzing up the skin, really. Not forgetting to bronze up my wee nose. I say wee nose, it's like a massive nose. I don't like my nose, like it's not the nicest of noses, but I don't think I'd ever have it done. Just because I think my nose suits my face. Do you know what I mean? Like I'm not a huge fan of my nose, but it suits my features. I don't know, I just don't think I'd suit a smaller nose. I think my head's just too big for a small nose. I'd look like one of the people from Whoville. Going in with my ABH contour kit and just sharpening up those cheekbones. And a little bit along my nose. Going in my Narcissist palette. Little blush. So I just went in with my Doll Beauty Like a Diamond. Going in with some mascara. I'm going to go in my Doll Lashes in Esmeralda. I love these eyelashes. So pretty. Okay, now it's time to finish off the lower lashes. So I'm going to go back in with Reckless. I'm going to kind of start dragging that line under. Go back in with Chili Pepper. Going to go in with a bit more fluffier brush. And I'm going to go in with Belaze and kind of run that really lightly. And going back in with a little bit more of that MAC glitter. Just kind of popping it on the inner corner. And then brow bone highlight. Just gonna go in with my MAC Nylon. Some lower lash line. Mascara. Gonna go in with my Ofra setting spray. What do I want to do for my lips? I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go with a nude. I'm gonna go with my MAC Subculture lip liner. Just mixed a little bit of spice from MAC as well. Gonna go in a dose of colours Sand. Then I'm going in my Fenty Gloss Bomb in Glass Slipper. So guys, this is the finished look. If you enjoyed this look, please feel free and give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of what you thought. Follow us on IG. My IG is lacy.makeup. Feel free and give us a follow. And also don't forget and subscribe. That'll be great. So until next time guys, bye!